Alright, Zach, you ready to go?
No.
Alright, let's go.
So we were on our way in here, and Zach farted and scared up like 2 or 3 does just right around this corner or so. And we're going to the tree stand, which is right over there. So we still have a ways to go. It's October 16th. It's 59 degrees. Zach and I are out on an evening hunt. And we took the bow out. On the way in, we spooked a couple deer. I think 3 or 4 does or whatever. Not a good sign. Zach's got his skull mask on. But yeah, that's the intro. We'll see how this hunt goes and keep you in the loop if we see any monsters. Okay, so we're kind of right in the middle of like a funnel. Like all the trees and stuff go together. That's why we're right here, because usually deer run these like paths. There's a tree line. I can't talk. No, so we're at we have the advantage here. Like the deer should come this way because we're in the middle of a funnel. It's gonna die. It's so bad on it.
The next day.
Okay, so it's day 2, and we were originally planning on sitting in this wagon stand, but looks like it's loaded with flies. Looks like there's at least 1 million of them in there, so I think we're gonna have to change plans, because unless Zach, do you want to sit in the thing full of flies? We'll check it out. I'll see how bad it is, but it looks kind of bad. Like it looks like we would get eaten alive in there. Day 2 is not going very well already. We scared some deer on the way in, just like yesterday. But this would have been a good spot to sit just because it overlooks all the beans and everything, but we'll check it out. We might go in there and open the windows. How bad is it, Zach? Yes, so this is our shaggin' wagon right here. We took us like a couple years to build this. All it is just a gravity wagon, and then we put a shack literally on top of it. So yeah, it's a pretty cool stand. Haven't shot anything out of it yet, but hopefully. Oh my god, Zach, how bad is it? There's a bunch of them in there, guys. I don't know how there's so many flies in there. I think it's just because they go in there at night because it's warm. But we'll stay tuned. I'll show you guys if we see any deer tonight. It's like a beehive. Look at all these bugs. Alright, so we just arrived to the Shaggin' Wagon and it's loaded with flies. And it's hot. It's so hot in here. What is it, Zach? It's gotta be like 90 degrees in this wagon. But outside it's like 65 or something. I'm gonna take this face mask stuff off. Flies. Oh my gosh. And it stinks in here. It smells like there's like a dead animal.
There was a mouse over there when I came in.
Yeah, there's gotta be. Yeah, it stinks in here. It's definitely gonna be an unpleasant sit. But it'll all pay off if there's a big buck coming out later tonight, so. This is the view. Gosh, look at all this fly shit. This exterminator. Shit! That was so scary. Yes. Do you see him?
Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start looking as a lost control. Oh, it's paradise with a nasty bite out in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lights, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as a
Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I know today's lift wasn't the best, like, you know, a lot of it's because of traveling and just not eating right. You know, I feel lazy when I do come home from college. I just like I eat whatever is in the refrigerator at my parents' house, and usually it's not very good. So obviously eating processed foods, pizza, and not, you know, taking my diet seriously, this is what happens. You know, I fail 495 on squat again. You know, it's a little bit degrading, but it's gonna happen. It'll come eventually, but you know, it is what it is. And you know, I failed, you know, 350 for a competition bench, but you know, and I got 345 pretty easy, and I've been getting, you know, 360 touch and go fairly easy. And you know, failing that weight today is just like, wow, I did this to myself. You know, I haven't been eating healthy, and it shows. And honestly, I can blame, I honestly sound like I just keep making excuses to you guys, and I'm very sorry for that. I promise you I will do better next time, and we'll keep upping the weight and keep eating right, keep lifting right, keep doing every little possible thing that I can do to get stronger and bigger. So yeah guys, it's going on like, I think like 10:30, and I've been in here since I don't know when, like maybe like 7:30 or something. So like, I need to get out of here. I've been in here way too long, but sometimes, you know, I do that. I got nothing else to do when I go home, so I might as well, you know, get a good lift in. And I procrastinate quite a bit when I'm in here. So yeah, I don't usually lift like 3 hours a day. Like I will usually just like keep it to like a little over an hour, not even. But thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and stay frosty, guys.